Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your name on Lululemon account. If you are trying to change your display name for Lululemon, then here is a straightforward process. First of all, open your web browser and in the URL box type in lululemon.com and press enter. Make sure to log into your account by entering your email and password. After signing in, mouse over to your account tab at the top right and click on the profile option in the pop-up. Under your details, click the edit button right next to name. Now, enter the first name. If you want to change it to something else, enter your first name you would like to change to, and you can also go ahead and change your last name if needed. After making the change, click save name and you will be able to change your display name or make any kind of an edit to your name on lululemon.com. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.